Hi folks, we're just on this self-built house in the tile. I got the full fast Floor Screed works, the baseTherm insulation, the low lambda mix design, and the 50mm screed. 2 weeks with the underfloor heating turned on. Down below the 0.5% moisture level. Just came back in just to get a quick snippet of the finished product. Now obviously this floor has to get a bit of a clean, a buff, before the tiler comes in to do his priming and adhesives for the tiles, but as you can see, consistently down below the recommended 0.5% moisture. Leaving 30mm underneath the door. It's vitally important that they're able to come along and have room for a mat when the timber floor and tiles go down on the floor.